Hello everyone. If you're getting this error 0xC0000142 when you're trying to play GTA 5, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying GTA 5 error on your computer. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. You're going to download these files. So just wait for them to complete downloading. You're going to open these files up and you're going to extract all of these files into your games directory to just put them where your GTA 5 is. So right here, for example, you're going to press OK. And once you do that, you'll have successfully fixed that 0xC0000142 error in your game. So I'm going to show you that my game works now. And you're going to see I won't get that error anymore. So hit the game's launching the Rockstar game service. And here you can see the game's working. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.